Digital asset junkies, thank you so much for clicking. All right. So we're currently at 105 Bitcoin. We're staying strong, as you guys can see. It's June 4th, 2025, and we are going to keep it Internet Computer Protocol. Okay. All right. So we have Vitalik. He has the amazing blockchain in his mouth. Let's take a look.
What is the most promising ETH competitor in your eye?
In terms of like things trying to do like general computation, I mean, I tend to find Dfinity pretty technically competent. And Dominic's got like really great stuff on things like threshold signatures and distributed key generation. Like Dfinity does really contribute to kind of the leading edge of the space, and that's something that I really respect.
When I was learning about like the beacon chain and all that, I was like, oh, this sounds like Dfinity.
Yeah.
What role has threshold relay and other improvements from the Dfinity ecosystem have played into the design of Ethereum 2.0?
We use BLS signature aggregation, which also uses BLS signatures and also gets kind of very high efficiencies from combining signatures together in the same way a threshold relay does.
Yep, see, there you go. There you have it. You know, you see Vitalik sitting over there with his tight jeans. He's spitting game though, okay? He has Internet Computer Protocol all in his mouth, all right? So currently, Internet Computer Protocol is ranked 36 on CoinMarketCap at $5.24. Crazy prices. This is not financial advice. I am not telling you guys to buy ICP. Okay, we are just taking a look at it. We are learning. And also, if you guys go to my video I just dropped on CaffeineAI changing or affecting the ICP token, I kind of bring up Solana. You know, I'm not going to talk about Solana in this post. We are going to keep it Internet Computer Protocol. Let's listen to another nerd talk.
The thesis of Outlying Ventures is that there's a convergence going on of AI and crypto. And the decentralized AI is one of the outcomes of that. You can look at it going one step further and you say, well, from decentralized AI, we're going to get a whole different type of web. And they coined it as the post-web, where people will interact with the web differently because AI will become so prominent. You're going to get a totally different way of working with the web. And it's going to be less searching, less attention type web, but it's going to be more intent-based, where you're using web to do things for you. And when you want the web, things on the web to do something for you, yeah, you really want to have control over that thing that's doing things for you. And I think that's where then decentralized AI, the stuff that we're working on, is really going to be important.
That's right. That's right. Did you guys hear what he says? How we use the internet will be totally different. All right. Okay. So if you're 20 years old, your kids, most likely, they're not even going to be on social media. They're probably just going to generate apps. They're going to generate apps for a certain subculture that they're in, you know, and they want to give out apps, and you know, maybe even the savvy ones may even create their own tokens. Maybe everybody might create their own tokens one day, you know. It's definitely showing use cases to have an actual, to build a token. You can build an ecosystem, you know. You can set prices, you can do all types of crazy stuff, man. All right, are you guys paying attention? This is really happening. All right, so again, you guys keep, if you're learning, doing your homework on blockchain technology, you're doing your homework on Internet Computer Protocol, CaffeineAI is a dApp, a decentralized app on Internet Computer Protocol, and it's making waves. So here in this next video, we have Dominic from Dfinity. I wish I could call him a nerd. He seems pretty cool. I don't know. You know, and again, you guys, when I call these people nerds, I don't know. Some of these people may not be nerds. They may be cool as hell. Dominic might even be a nerd. Chances are he might be a nerd. But for how I'm looking at it, he may not be a nerd. All right, so let's listen to this guy talk.
So how does this work? Well, these apps run on a sovereign network. That's created by hardware run by independent parties all over the world. That's combined by a mathematically secure network protocol called Internet Computer Protocol, which creates a revolutionary cloud computing environment, which we refer to as the Internet Computer. And the Internet Computer, of course, is created by a sovereign network, but it provides not only a cloud network, but in its new Internet Computer 2.0 form, a specialized kind of cloud where AI can build. So how does Caffeine work? Well, first of all, you talk to Caffeine. Caffeine then writes the code that runs your app and then uses that to deploy the next version of your app, and you can just refresh your web browser URL to see the changes you've made. So when AI codes and builds solo, you have something new. You have self-writing apps. And this is the revolution we're talking about today.
Evolution. You guys see, it's the evolution. It's the evolution of the internet, all right? So this is not financial advice, you guys, all right? At all. I'm not telling you guys what to do with your money, you know? I am talking about technology, okay? So now if you do actually procure the Internet Computer Protocol token, you can stake it, all right? I stake my ICP tokens on the NNS, okay? That's called the Network Nervous System. And it's pretty straightforward, you know? So you guys, please like, subscribe. If you're interested in buying Internet Computer Protocol, you guys need to get on the blockchain. Use the NNS, okay? Go to Open Chat, follow me there, DeFi Darius. Follow me on Instagram, DeFi Darius. Follow me on X, DeFi Darius. This is the Digital Asset Junkie TV.